Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, children. Welcome back to our math class. In math, we learn only numbers. So, as you all can see on the board, I have written numbers from 0 to 9. Let's read it quickly. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, all these numbers are single digit numbers. Yes? So, like now you all will tell me, where do you all stay? Yes, you all are right, you all stay in a house. So like us, even these numbers have their house. Now tell me, what is the name of your house or your building? Yes, like we have a name for a building or a house, even these numbers have name for their house. So can you guess and tell me what is the name of this house where single digit numbers stay? In your previous class, you have learned ones. So, you'll know the name of the house is ones, but we will call it as units. What we will call? Units. So, now you'll know these single digit numbers stay in a house called units. So, we'll write all the single digit number under this house. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now can you see I have written all the single digit number under units? Yes, all the single digit come under units. Now tell me, you all stay alone in the house or you all stay with your brother and sister? Yes, even I stay with my brother and sister and we love their company, don't we? Yes, like us, even numbers have brother and sister now and they want to stay with them. So if I add one brother or a sister over here and I don't have place in my house, so I will tell my brother to shift in some other house because there is no place under units to stay. Yes, so my brother 1 will shift to another house. So what is that name? What is the name of that house now? Yes, you all are right, you all know, you all have learned. It is tens. What is the name of the other house? Tens. So if I put one brother with 0, I get 1, 0, 10. What do I get? 1, 0, 10. Now after 9 we have got a double digit number, that is 2 digit number, 1, 0, 10. Now after 10 we have all 2 digit number, isn't it? 11, 1, 1, 11, 1, 4, 14, 1, 8, 18, 2, 0, 20, 2, 5, 25, 22, 7, 27, 3, 0, 30. All these after 1, 0, 10 are 2 digit number. Now this 2 digit number have to go to the correct house. Now let's see how they will go to correct house. If I take a number 1, yes, if I take a number 1 and if I take a number 4, now I have 1, 4, 14. Where will 4 go and where will 1 go? Let me tell you, the number to my right hand side, that is 4, will go to units place. Yes, correct. And the number to my left hand side will go to tens place. So I have 1 tens and 4 units. Now let's take some other number. Let me take 2 and let me take 0. Now where will they go? Yes, my children are very smart. The number to my left, that is 0, will go to the units place and the number to my right will go to the tens place. So how will I read it? 2 tens and 0 units. Let's take some other example. Let me take my favorite number 7. I will put it here and I will take maybe 5. Yes, so I have number 7, 5, 75. Where will 5 go now? Let me see who will tell me. Yes, right. The number to my right hand side will go in the units place. The number to my left hand side will go to tens place. How we will read it now? 7 tens and 5 units gives me 75. Let me take the number 3 and put it on my right hand side. Let me take the number 8 and put it on my left hand side. So the number to my right will go to units. The number to my left will go to tens. You'll see how they'll go to the correct houses. Yes, so I get the number 8 tens and 3 units. That gives me 83. Now let's take the last number. I will take 9 first and put it on my left hand side, and I will take 6 from here and put it on my right hand side. So where will this number go? We have to take them to the correct house. So the number to my right hand side will go under units, and the number to my left hand side will go to tens. So how do I count this? 9 tens and 6 units gives me the number 90. How are we going to read? 1 4 14? Yes, well, right, but we read it as 1 tens and 4 units gives you 1 4 14. Now the next number, 2 and 0. How we will read it? 2 tens and 0 units gives you 2 0 20. The third one, 7 tens and 5 units gives us the number 75. 8 tens and 3 units gives us the number 83. Then the last one, 9 tens and 6 units gives you the number 96. So my children, you'll know how we will read it. The number which are under tens, we read it as 1 tens, 2 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens and 9 tens. Then in the units, we read it 4 units, 0 units, 5 units, 3. Oh my God, I can see so many balloons on my board. So now let's count and see how many balloons do we have. I have 2 groups of balloons. Let's count the blue balloons first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I have 10 balloons here. So how many tens do I get? When I count numbers till 10, how many tens do I have? Yes, you're right, I have only 1 tens. So this is the house of tens. This is the house of tens. Now let's count these red balloons. 1, 2, 3. I have only 3 balloons over here. And these balloons are in the units house. So if I have 1 tens and 3 units, what is the number I will get? Well, alright, I will get 1, 3, 13. Now let's take some different objects and see if we can count with different objects. Let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have a bundle of 10 sticks. So how many tens do I have? A bundle of 10 sticks gives me 1 tens. It gives me 1 tens. And if I have here 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 sticks, I have 5 units. So which number do I get? Yes, 1 tens and 5 units gives me 15. Yeah, right. Now let's take some other example. If I have a bundle of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sticks, like one bundle, if I have one more bundle with me, if I have one more bundle with me, I have two bundles of 10 sticks. So how many tens do I have? 1, 2. I have 2 tens. And here if I have a bundle of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sticks. So I have 8 units. So which number do I get? Yes, 2 tens and 8 unit gives me 28. So now my children, have you all seen, if I have a bundle of 10 sticks, that means 1 unit. If I have a bundle of 20 sticks, that means I have 2 tens. Children, you all have learned how to count numbers and identify their place value. So let me take a recap. The number to my right hand side will be in units place, and the number to my left hand side will be in tens place. So if I have to write 28, I will write 2 in the tens place and 8 in the units place. So now I will send you homework to the WhatsApp broadcast group.